1,01,139 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. 58,802 people are undergoing treatment at designated hospitals and 39,174 people have been discharged. 3,163 people have died due to the deadly virus in the country so far. 127 new COVID-19 cases reported in Karnataka. The total numbers now stands at 1,373. 530 people have been discharged, 802 active cases and 40 people have died. This is so far the single largest number of cases which has been seen in one day. 62 new COVID-19 cases reported from Mandya. The total number of cases in the sugar bowl of Karnataka rises to 151. 88 discharges and 63 active cases has been reported. Mandya has not even reported one single death. 19 new COVID-19 cases reported in Davanagere. The total number of cases in Davanagere stands at 109. 2 discharges, 107 active cases and 4 deaths reported due to the deadly virus. KSRTC and BMTC resume operation after over 50 days. Special pujas conducted at bus stands. Strict social distancing norms being followed everywhere. Security heightened in Padarayanapura as new lockdown rules comes into effect in Karnataka. Additional police personnel have been deployed to oversee the situation. Karnataka bans entry of people from 4 states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Kerala till 31st May. This comes days after the centre said that the movement of passengers would be allowed only with mutual consent between the 2 states. Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu have reported the highest number of COVID-19 cases in India.
25th June in the 4th July ವರೆಗೂ ಜುಲೈ 4ನೇ ತಾರೀಕುವರೆಗೂ SSLC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆನ ನಡೆಸಲು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
SLC exam dates announced. Exams to be conducted between June 25th to July 4th. Over 8,45,000 students to appear for the examinations. Exam date sheets yet to be announced by the Education Department. Congress Legislative Party meeting to be held today. Siddaramaiah calls for Legislative Party meeting at 4:30 p.m. Leaders likely to discuss on the spike in the number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka and the APMC Act Amendment 2 is on the cards. Labour laws relaxation also to take centre stage. Congress leaders gear up to raise their voice against the state government. Tobacco major ITC has restarted its cigarette factories across the entire country. ITC, which has over 70% of the domestic cigarette market, has resumed operations in over 100 factories across the country. The factories were shut following the nationwide lockdown post the COVID-19 outbreak.